How to block anyone from any specific IP address in Namecheap account. Once you log into Namecheap account, you need to click Hosting List on the left side of the screen. Next, click this cPanel button to enter the cPanel settings page. If your website is hosted in Namecheap and you want to block visitors from a specific IP address, follow the steps. Now in cPanel settings page, scroll down to Security section and enter IP blocker. And next, in this field, you can add the IP address that you want to block. And click the Add button. And done, the IP address has been added in the block list. Any visitor from this IP address will not be able to view your website hereafter. You can add more than one IP address in this page and block them. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.